Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this little miniature drone here. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, that is actually really small. We have a little user's manual here, little landing pad zone there. That's pretty sweet. Oh, what is this? Got a little bag here with something in there. I assume it's extra parts for the drone here. So the little drone charging cable, little tiny screwdriver. Oh my goodness, and little tiny propellers there. 4 little extra propellers. That's pretty cool. So extras just in case. All right. Oh my goodness, this thing is tiny. What is holding it in there? Okay, so they got it strapped down in there. I'm gonna need my scissors to eradicate it, looks like. Stand by. Okay, well, had to free that little guy, so there it is in there. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Wow. Just to give you an idea of how small that guy is, look at my hand, and it's just like this little itty bitty drone. It's so cool though. Look at that. I like the color there. Looks really neat there. Looks like it's got just a little charging port here in the back there, and maybe a little light on the front, and a little power button there. So that's really cool. And then we have, oh, are you kidding me right now? So we have to undo this too. I'm just gonna snip that if I can. Okay. We have the controller also. Looks like it takes some batteries, so let's see what kind we need here. It says, please do not fly this outside. So this is an indoor drone only. And this is going to take 4 AAA batteries. Let's get this fired up. I'm going to charge it, make sure it's all good, and we're going to go in the living room and fly this thing around. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, to turn this little guy on, just hold down this button on the top there. It'll start flashing. Then on the remote, you just turn this on. Now to sync it up, you want to push up, and it'll beep. Press down, it'll beep, and then it's ready to go. Basically, you just push up, it engages the little propellers there, and then we're ready to go. It just flies around. We could do little like flips. Do the front flip, side flip, back flip, front flip. Dude, that's so cool. And basically it just steers around really good. You can correct it. It's got a bunch of different little options. Basically like a full-sized drone. You can do little corrections on it if it's going one way or the other. And just really sweet, actually. I think the flips are really cool. So obviously it's drifting backwards a little bit, then you can just try to land it wherever you want to. But pretty sweet little drone here, actually, guys. This is really cool. And it flies pretty much just like a real, I mean, it is like a drone, but like a full-size one. The controls are really precise, and just the ability to do little flips and stuff like that is really cool. This is indoor drone only, but it has pretty good protection around the propellers, as you can see. If it runs into something, not really gonna hurt it. I'm gonna go land on a tile over there. See if I can land on that tile right there. So as you can see, my friends, this thing is really cool. It's a lot of fun. It's, yeah, the steering is really easy to do. I mean, it's got the good protection around the blades. Obviously you want to be careful with super little children, but this would be, these are like, probably hurt a little bit if they hit you, but they do have the protection around it too. I've ran it into the wall, and these little bumpers kind of protect it from it. So awesome little idea for a gift for a child or something like that. This thing is a lot of fun. I'm even having fun with it. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.